8. Easy ways to increase your business profits. Business profit is one of the company's main goals. Even companies that are already making a profit will still be looking for ways to increase it continuously. However, unfortunately, to increase profits is not easy. Every company or business actor must think of various ways or strategies to improve the company's financial performance. In fact, you also have to be brave to take or face various kinds of risks in order to increase profits. Here are some ways to increase profits that you can make reference to. 1. Adding products or services to increase business profits. One strategy to increase profits is by adding products or services from the business. If you already have a business that is running well, adding products or services is a fairly easy way to increase profits. However, before deciding to add products, you should do some research first. Find out which products or services are most liked or have a lot of requests by your consumers, so that additional products or services will continue to sell. If you are wrong in deciding which product or service to add, you will run the risk of losing money. This is because added products or services will, of course, incur costs. If these costs have been incurred but your sales have not increased, it means that the expenses for that period are greater. As a result, profits will decrease. Therefore, adding a product or service cannot be done haphazardly. 2. Increase selling value to customers. Another way to increase profit is to increase the selling value of your business to customers, so that consumers feel they are getting more value when they buy at your store. In other words, customers will be loyal and make purchases more often. To increase selling points, you can shorten the sales cycle, where buyers find it easy, simple, and not too much trouble to make a purchase. 3. Expand industrial fields to increase business profits. The next way to increase profit and income is to expand the industry that you have mastered so that you can minimize the risk of failure. For example, you have successfully built a lodging or hotel business. From this business you can develop related industries such as culinary, cafes or travel agents. 4. Looking for new target consumers. Every business generally has different consumers or market share. Usually they are distinguished by gender, age, demographics, location, and so on. From your current business, try to find different target consumers. To do this, you can take advantage of existing technology. Considering that the internet has the ability to quickly spread across the world and people now have internet access, targeting consumers through the internet and social media is easy. 5. Sell products or services in larger sizes. You can also increase profits by selling products or services in larger purchase sizes. The way you can increase the number or quantity per product, change the packaging size to a larger one or make packages of products or services, so that you can increase the average price of each sale. 6. Use economical packaging. Even if you read about enlarging your product or service earlier, changing the packaging to be small is also a profit-boosting trick. This trick is usually used by food, cosmetic, soap or beverage companies. The company makes products with packaging that is not only made of cans but also with sachet packaging. Even though in reality small packages are more wasteful than large packages, consumers will not feel it as expensive. This is because of the small size so that the price also looks low. Apart from that, the advantages of product packaging can also be a way to increase your business brand awareness. 7. Avoid price competition to increase business profits. To increase profits, avoid competition, or price competition. You can look for other ways such as reducing operational costs that are less effective. If you apply this method, then review your business expenses, select costs, or expenses that do not add value to your product, service or company. 8. Simplify business processes and reduce operational costs. You can focus on simplifying your business processes and saving on operational costs. Look for business processes that take up a lot of time, effort, and operational costs. Then find ways to make the process simpler and more efficient. You can use software that helps you speed up and simplify complex and repetitive processes. To make it easier to manage and calculate all costs incurred, you can use the help of a company finance application.